going on, everybody? It's TitanicFeetJack, and I'm back at you again with another video. Today we got a double unboxing of a collab sneaker of a movie that, you know, been around since I was a kid. But before we get into all that, I need a few things from you guys. I need you to hit that like button on today's video. Do drop those comments down below in that comment section. Let me know your thoughts on the video and the sneaker itself that we're going to look at today. While you're down there, I need you to hit that hype button. Let's get this video hyped up and get it pushed out to more people on the YouTube platform. Also, do hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come back with another video. And if you haven't already and you like the content that you're watching, I ask that you sub up to the channel. Excuse me. Yes, I did mention earlier we have a double unboxing, and I'm not sure why, but this is box number one. I'm showing it is for the size of the box. And this is box number two. Why they came like this, I don't know. So we're going to get my box cutter out. We're going to begin opening big box number one. And this is a big box. I'm not sure why this box is this big. I'm not sure. But I guess when you're a big company, you have a contract. You get discounts when it comes to shipping, because I know when I go to ship a box myself, when I go like to UPS or the post office, they pull that tape measure out and they go charge me by the dimensions of the box plus the weight. We're gonna open this box. Okay, if you guys follow me on social media, you can follow my TikTok channel, my Instagram channel, my Instagram page, I should say, and TikTok page. I did make a short of one of these sneakers, an early look, but this is a big box. We're gonna toss that to the side. This is box number one. We're gonna go ahead and open box number two. We're gonna hold them up at the same time, so I do not need the box cutter for box number two. Go ahead, open this box up. Let's see what we got here. I mean, what sneakers did you guys pick up recently? Because the month of April, outside of the Virgils, it's been kind of quiet. So, box number two, and other than the Virgils, we had the unheard of brand, you know, Philip lip shuts with those unheard of piggy runners. But other than that, it's been kind of quiet. But with this double unboxing, I think they're trying to make some noise. They're trying to make a noise similar to roar. Here we go, guys. We have the Jurassic Park sneakers. They're Jurassic Park theme. Gonna give you guys, you see it's a Nike product. You recognize that logo. Yep. We have a jamorant 3 sneaker Jurassic Park collab. This is the box tag for one of them, and this is the box tag for the second one. Here we go. Okay, the first one is said Ja 3JP, and the second one says the same thing, Ja 3JP. Colors are on one of them anthracite, bright crimson, and the color on the other is green, spark, and black. Both are US size 15. I believe these both retail at $135. And you can see the details on the box. You can rub your fingers across this Jurassic Park logo. Very nice. We got a different box from Ja. They put a couple dollars into this box so you can run your fingers across it and you have some texture to the box. So we're gonna fold it open. Here you go. This is what it says. You can pause that video right there, or you can read it, or listen to me. It says Ja will not be contained. Ja breaks free. Ja finds a way, and I sure hope he finds a way so he could continue his athletic excellence on the basketball court. And you see the paper, we have different characters from the Jurassic Park movie, the Jurassic Park series. Jurassic Park have rides at your theme parks. And it also comes with another paper. Here we go. Smooth on this side, rough on the other. Okay. I'm gonna take out the box. Gonna get it right here. Comment down below. What do you guys think of the Ja 3 sneaker? Me personally, it's a real nice shoe. I love them. They're very comfy. But comment down below. Let me know if y'all feel like I do. I feel like I'm getting Ja 3 fatigue. As I show you this stamp right here. That's the only quality control markings they have inside the box. I mean, I love the sneaker. I even custom made me a pair, but I'm starting to get Ja 3 fatigue, guys. Just let me know how you feel. And this probably will be the last pair of Ja 3s I purchased for myself for the toe. I'm not sure what the Ja 4 is going to look like, but it has a big build to live up to because the Ja 3s took off. They came in some very fire colorways, and that's the only marketing here. Same as the last one, and we just going to set that here and set y'all up, and we going to present y'all with the Ja 3 Jurassic Park. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this sneaker. Which one is your favorite out of the two? Yep, your boy hit both on the sneakers app, and it took a while to get to me. They released the past weekend, you know, and I got them in. I came back from SneakerCon. I was still waiting on these, but let's go ahead. See what features we have with these. I can see off the rip they only came in one set of laces, and see some future content for me down the road with the color of one of these sneakers. I'm trying to get the insert out, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm trying to show you guys the insert. There you guys go. And the bottom, we got an all black bottom, number 12, Ja's number for the Memphis Grizzlies. And quality control on here, I have to throw a flag on the play. If you look closely to the swoosh is not all the way attached. I can see if this sneaker is kept in extreme temperatures, extreme heat, there is a possibility that the swoosh may come off. Comment down below. If you bought this sneaker, let me know, is your sneaker swoosh like this? I'm not sure what the issue is, but I'm not sure what they're gonna do as far as the quality control, the warranty, or anything like that. What will Nike do about that? We got the ball right here. We got the Jurassic Park marking on the left sneaker right there. And we're going to show you the same on the other pair. There you go, Jurassic Park marking. And the same for this one, that swoosh is loose. So comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about the Ja 3. We got JP12 on the back of here, which is Jurassic Park and Ja's number. And on the back of this one, they only have 12. So let me know which Ja 3 from this pack is your favorite of the two. I'm going to go ahead and leave you now, but before I do, like I always tell you guys, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeetJack, signing out.